Hey everyone, so I've got my rug pad here. Now my wife and I are redecorating a room and we're about to put a large rug down, but we wanted something kind of soft on the bottom side, and that's why we got this 8 by 10 rug pad. These do come in different sizes. This is completely trimmable, so if you didn't need something quite this large, you could trim it if you need to. Now it's got two different sides to this. We got the felt fiber on this one side, and then on the back side, we have latex backing. So depending on whether you're laying this on carpet or on ceramic or wood, you can just flip this over. This is a 3/8 inch. They do come in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. If you've ever been on a rug, especially if you're playing with your children, I play with my grandchildren. I want something kind of soft that's going to be good for my knees and when I'm sitting down, and this definitely works. So this is going to go right on the bottom of the floor, and then I'm going to throw my rug on top of it. And by doing that, that'll definitely make it feel more comfortable.